viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how to make a ruched pencil skirt with this piece of fabric. I'll be explaining this line from the waist. This is the waist line, the hip line, and our hemming line. From the waist, I'll use 8 inches for the hip line. This is it. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll be needing our waist measurement, our hip measurement, and the skirt length. The skirt length I'm working with is 22. I added 1 inches extra for hemming allowance. And for the zip parts, I'm using 1.5 inches extra for the zip. Firstly, we'll take our waist measurement. The waist of this line is 28, which is 7. I'll be adding 2 inches allowance. The hip is 38, 9.5. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. While for the down part, I'll be minusing 2 from the hip measurement, which is 36. To make the down part pencil, I'll be adding 1.5 inches extra. I will connect the lines together. So this is it. Carefully cut it out. Use the skirt. I'll be using the front part of the skirt. I'll fold the front part into 2 like this. It depends on where you want the strip to be, either at the right hand side or the left hand side. For me, I'll prefer my own at the right hand side of the skirt. I'll measure 4 inches. After folding the skirt into 2 like this, measure 4 inches, and this 4 inches is where I will fix my strip. Then I will measure 2 inches here. Remember, we took 4 inches, then 2 inches. I'll cut. We're using this 3 strip. I'll fold it like this. I'll do same thing to the other parts of the strip. Mine 2 strips like this. Then this other strip, you have to use a matching thread. Sew this one too. Do same thing at the other end. Okay, and this strip is 2 inches. Finish folding the strips. These are 2 strips. I cut out 1.5 inches and I folded it and sewed it down straight like this. This is it. And this is the other strip I'll place at the back like this. But before then, I'll fold my skirts like this. Take out 0.5 inches from this side. 0.5 inches. You can also take out 1 inch, but I'll be using 0.5 inches. I'll use my ruler, my meter rule, to connect it to the end point here for the slope to get a perfect balance for our pencil skirt. Okay, you can see how I connected the line together. I'll go ahead and cut out this part. Ironing, I'll open up the skirt. You can decide to put that on your skirt, but I want to be adding that to this my skirt at the back part of the skirt. Remind you, is at the back part you place this piece and you sew it straight down. At the both sides you sew it straight down, then you derive the midpoint. This is it, looking very fine. And this is the front part. You won't be seeing it clearly because it's a matching thread. So I'll go ahead and fix the strip. You've done that. The sewing machine, and hold it up here. In order for it not to pull out, you hold it up here before fixing your band. Before I come back to show you the finishing part of my skirt.
I've shaping the skirt. I've
After
attached
that,
the
I'll
band.
shaping it.
This is the
Attach
ruched
my
skirt.
band.
Look how beautiful it is. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I love you all.